Hello everybody. Today I got a new thing to show you that I made. This is a rubber band gun. It's entirely homemade. I made it out of like a curtain rod or something, duct tape and like foam. But up front, this is where you hold the thing, rubber band. Got a foregrip right here, just so it's easier to hold. You pull it back. Pull it back onto this notch, and you're going to want to hold that with your thumb right there. Then you hold the thing, and you can let go, and it should stay. Then you just kind of push it up, and there you go. It's a pretty good rubber band gun. Shoots pretty hard. And I guess let's see it shoot. Alright, we're gonna load it. Put the finger there. Okay, take aim and fire. Looking pretty good. Alright. So that's all for today's video, guys. I guess comment if you like this kind of video, or I make stuff. I certainly enjoy making stuff, so I'll make more of these probably. But I'll see you in the next one, and peace. Bye.